Hello. You do live video. Yeah, I'm a last speaker. You do live video. Okay, or the last speaker then. Wa ma wa. Hello. Wa ma wa mo.
Okay. That's what.
My wa ma.
So I do okay.
Yes.
I saw a live video.
Oh, you are live. You are live.
Okay. Sharon, you know it. Oh, you need dog man that's an option. So
where we sister man? Why out
Okay,
good. Right on.
So the matter na sunu or beer, or they okay. You also work viva.
Please share this video.
And where our hospital area also one.
Yeah, when you say pidgin English, pidgin English. Me when not everybody here be know.
Okay. Sharon don't born. Then they don't discharge her from hospital. Then she go house.
Yeah.
Then after 2 days, she can't feel headache. Then she come by herself, go hospital. So when she reach hospital, they can't treat her. They can't say me she go house, go take Tacaperina. I don't know whether people understand Tacaperina because I tell you. You understand? That is blessed. Saying that this all those headache medicine. Okay. You understand?
Yeah.
Like paracetamol and all those things. Person get belly, if you really bad, never they take.
Yeah.
Then let's take go house. So as she reach house, the same thing. Let's the call her blood for her.
Yeah.
So now them can no reach.
Okay.
Then the day when she did hospital, she died. As she died, so person day when call you a power investor. So we don't know who call.
Yeah.
She died and a truth. She died. She corrigate herself. Then they call put her for coma.
So
you understand? Then me call for your live video. Say Sharon not back. She did coma.
Okay.
Yes. I don't call for the live stream where you do.
Yeah, I do
I
that
tell you say Sharon not back. She did coma. You understand?
Yeah.
So when everybody they talk and now this girl Faustina, Sharon friend from the Nigeria now. So the way that one country they insult you, say now you this, that and that.
Yeah.
Her mother, she know they okay. She can't use her say now her mother because they be friends. Do you understand? The only thing when I want to talk for here, I beg, say Enogie, justice for Sharon, with the family. The only thing where we they pray, anybody will get out for Sharon death, it's left for her or it's left for him. You understand?
Yeah.
We don't need any justice. Now only God need justice for everybody. See this one they say now this woman what it be whether now Saburo na talk this one, this that. Then I can't even call this man I call him. When I call him I can't tell him say Sharon never cry. Sharon not cry. Sharon they call my call him. Now me call him call him. I say Sharon not cry. Sharon they coma. You understand?
Yeah.
Now me I call her. I say Sharon not cry. They coma. She they coma. You understand? Then when she come back, now I go say Jesus. Sharon not cry. My presence now. You understand? Even is everybody. Then they're going to say easy, he call you. Now going to say, that's all you talk for social media, say easy call you.
Is it here, man?
The day where it happened, where easy call a daughter call, I got to make I ask a question. The crowd was too much. I can't ask many people. They got to say now truth.
Okay.
So the one where they call they use and send allegation, say maybe all of now they do saga, they can say now you not by Sharon. Now only God now you know. I beg. The only thing when I want to talk, may we pray for Sharon for our soul rest in peace. Now how we want to put her for grant. Now we just did. How we want to take good care of the children. Now we did. When I know for this Europe, one person don't buy social, they'll call inside.
Yeah.
Now that one, now we did, and we see the issue lawyer. Anything when lawyer tell us. Now we do for now. Okay. If they want to bury Sharon, as she sit there inside hospital, they never put her for where they do all those things. Maybe God
God can still do, since the mortuary, God can still do his work. I know
they never put her for mortuary. Enogie, you know, say Sharon are your friend. I know now your friend, you know. I beg the only thing when I want to tell you, anything when people they talk on social media. You understand? No, don't forget anything. Now you fire. If you know, say, now you fire. It's left for you. Yeah. If you know, say, not be you fire, it's left for people where they talk as they go.
Exactly.
You know, be say, saga, say, this one 8 person, this one 8 person. But not because of that one, you put to say, this one, the other type, but there's no show. Not the show. I beg. Let everybody now.
Okpamen yake onye amu ni ya. Don't tell you the one spoil many, but saluba ve mako yin ai.
Now only God now go play the witness. Who have not come out, the people will call you, brother. When you try, if you know that person where you say that the way that where she back, we know say she back. Who call you that day, brother? Who call you for that day when she back?
Me have no basin.
That's why I'm having. How we should see the note by you for your screenshot for us. Then we go find out for radio for them. We're gonna 3 guests. Let's go there 3. Okay. Our friend. How we should see the note back? We go find out.
Okay.
We go find the number. Even when I even talk, say Sharon, Enogie, or whoever, no, for now, no, that thing, no, those kind of thing, no, your feet talk for now.
Yeah.
You understand? I even Jeanette say, Enogie, your friend, nah. And I said, no, man, so the secret surprise me there.
Meguwari Italia, Italy Meridian. Iwe Meguwaro do aveti me, veni aveti manike.
Now call the call.
Eva post ene mereke bi post.
When they call you.
Thank you. Even ya tell Facebook ima.
When you dey passing, how we should see no any mistake when you make, you end up for your confirm wella.
Oh. When okay, Ogo as far away actress is posted in even so why Weytin and mene wayayi. I don't know you now. I know you.
No, that's actually very okay now. And you don't know anything about all those things. So you want carry you now anybody. That's a bola. When you are imagine, and that's the way see my father now. Or when in the method the one why no have social media, any year. And
my sister, before hello, Sharon, Sharon, okay.
I got one lady when they Italy. I go tell her say all those things not be your hand. They say now you send me. I know you are. How you want to send me? The only person when I call her be a pal meanwhile. I call her, I explain to him. Sorry. I explain to him. So it could come my culture because me and a pal, they first to get issue, which they don't say to one. You understand? But I call her, I say, a pal, see. He not buy, but he not buy again. Go to prayer.
Many people wait. If I'm not here, I'm if I'm not with me where Ogiagu Reni before Kedogu, now I'm at the Berry. You see, huh? I was in and when love you. I was in and when love because other people don't post time already. Even if you post there before make it the post.
This woman went there Austria. Sharon a friend. This woman went there Austria. What's their name?
This woman
went there Austria. What's their name? Enogie. Sharon a friend.
Okay. I know.
She know. She know. This woman went there Austria. Sharon. She and Sharon, they be friends. She know. When the day when she back that day, she know.
Okay, Berry. So, Berry, you have it here, not me. So, the problem is that, Iana no do attend Nana. They're not getting to the one. Oh, you forgetting it. As far where one family or get to clear the air, you forgetting it.
No, not be you. No, not be you.
Two.
No, not be you.
Cool. Yeah,
And anybody when say talk say na you, if you don't do the necessary thing, we will still come out. Come still talk for any platform.
Okay.
Let me still talk.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah. So for now, I beg the viewer and the social people where they do all those things, I don't know. May they just forget it. But everything or juju swear this one, justice for this, justice for Sharon. When they do drama, nobody they say justice for Sharon to promote a movie. Nobody like that. I beg woman. She lived 2 children. 2 pickings.
There's only one mama get, not truth.
No, be only one. Now, Okpamen and Siriona. Okpamen and boy. She not get 2 children now mother get. You understand?
Okay, yeah, Vakeka.
Yeah, veje bien. Ijo muyari. Ima iya yekere. Ijo ole we bona fimi ade wepo. Ado dege Okpamen o fimi Okpamen the prince. Oh yeah, we. Oh yeah, doge. Then Sharon naga no ensi. Oh say no so our west. Oh yeah, so we need allow justice. My family go have justice. Well, now. Oh one of my Sharon. Understand? So now only God that know why. I beg woman.
Please, guys, share this video.
Interest where I don't know many time with this saga. Saga where I have the monarch before all those kind of things. Collect people to get money. No, everybody we are one. I know an angel.
Yes.
I so rest in peace. I forget. And if you already have it, I don't know your session with Saga. Why till you met together and work corporates? We are promoting family. Have a coaches in the Wason in Nigeria.
Okay, United in Weytin. Adamio. Bagbo for membana yawe marriage. Agbo for membana. Bagbo for membana. When ya saga, let's say. He is zetting. So they are not imagine like Anakina. Mafi women is a meme now. Or like. So now they are not looking for anything at all. Ni meririu e mawega we ni mi lad. Ebo Okpamen ati omozwo. Ogbe oga amono to no de. Ona are Turkey. Oma lad. But Frank omozwo ni wetie ni umenwasi. Eri me ati e. You understand? This okay. Where in Atime? Where in Atime?
Frank Victor.
We Atime. We na le gan veti you understand? So we arrive. So worry ma. We worry. If we don't tell Sharon we are here ma. Okay,
forget about all those saga.
All right, now no problem. All right. Where's your Sharon? Very many. Because I don't want to talk about this issue again because it is only a fool that would think where Nami broadcast the issue of Sharon's death from the beginning. Because I see him, I call, and they let me know so I confirm. Because these people, when I call, they're near Sharon. Where? You understand? Now last they talk say, okay, doesn't attack Koma before the cost talk. Say when she back, everybody lock up. All of us not talk again. Because why? Me the not say that they use until they collect money. I want to also thank Sharon family because for not to who say one can say me can't talk. I sit on that they say I talk to Easy. My Easy way go on. You know, Easy is a good friend. That one for the other one. Sharon issue. And the Sharon now ragno. These people so they talk. They are looking for what to paint my name with. So that you can't be like say a mogile do broadcaster when it be say I know they entirely with them. It doesn't even make sense. Man make it sense. Almost like we're not good pada all like social media. Now let me say they drop pada, but almost we're not very way. I got when as a man be pada lenye. Almost like Mofino wa. They have been trying to use the title they do so that go reach the one where I swear for. On your wa say because where you don't know say na so social media go be. Why you bring people person children will not be your own fed up come outside before say and when I see very children at the end when I do raise you own. You go for nobody to donate again. Or you be kawe. Anything I say you will be using it. You are my boy and you forever remain my boy. Me my better one me alone on social media now. Apart from some of my few friends like when they having the daughter were ye breaking on mama wagmo. And some of my friends when they could retire here and the rest of them. When I did quit talk show yeah. Because Sharon, when Sharon was alive, I did celebrate her, she did celebrate me. If you bring movie come outside, you send her for me for WhatsApp. Now, why are they jealous of me? They are jealous of me because they are in marriage. They are trying everything possible to convince people not to come to my marriage. He's only a fool and a nuisance. A mumu constantly no war. When he see now say, Vera, brother, they do the thing they do saga. Ona to ta na go. Aha, me they take saga Enogie we. Na Sharon death na what it paint. One Larry and do saga Enogie we. If you not really get worse for math, I'm not going to push Sharon for inside this matter. When you not probe there, na person bring the issue come aside. When Mobad bad, na person bring the issue come aside. If you not do something, not the lad, may I will name you one lad, your wife go. And as you not even what told you say, as you not saga me rich, also know by a blessing, eh? I know people when they come and marriage. Why I said to stop in any year with marriage now, you cannot off my lights. I was not give magmo. If you join the set of the people who say, Enogie or by Sharon, Sharon into Wamu, that is the truth. Almost to Tiwamu. Because where he boge will not be family. Now person family, now the accused person. But I not blame anybody. Festina, now I blame. Yes, Festina, now I blame. If it's not blame me. Then Festina no myong to bamu. Do I form a fake caring when you don't design WhatsApp with emojis of tears? I believe say all these mumu presenters women and the guy that get problem in my lad and do I in Mauna. See what in Ivie do this evening. Ivie, thank you so much. Yes, Ivie, thank you. You not talk say because they do saga. May you come out, can't even join the talk say, nah, you came outside to say the way it is. Don't be surprised tomorrow. That mumu Vera brother will come to saga you. Don't be surprised. Why am I? Because this video, when you do so, it is only my lovers that will see this video and say yes. Even you get one woman myself when you do the same video, may I play that woman first before I play video. I got video now, share this video.
For you to come out to drop that fake news when you don't say not happen, you come tell the world. It means that you are a bad person, they don't kill me. And I used to come out this morning, they talk to the woman on that. They use how they make money. They use debt, they make money. They use person never buy.
No, just listen to this man.
This is your own soul.
Enogie rather one of the phones, yeah? I believe say Enogie thing on that person use phone color. So why you can't why una can't drag Enogie for left or right? Why? That boy do nothing. What did he do? I don't understand. Oga big head. Go repair your home. Leave Enogie not do anything. When we general money to be where to have it at the hotel. Stop fake news. Stop to the talk with you don't know. They don't punish you there. They don't get do nothing. But Enogie, while I social media, why I drag the boy? Why I drag it? Because Enogie already here.
And they're not getting the cash out. Not be video talk so. This will not be view. This one another person now they talk. Or if you guana. Or maybe you want guana. I'll play view what I'm
Imagine even AGC limit no one is one. No one is one. I want a dragon in a bavana. I was saying the boy now is one. Why the boy will come and come sing? Nobody they happy. Who they happy about Sharon? Sharon died. Who? Nobody.
okay.
Nobody they happy. I beg. Wala wo my salopo loku in wala wa. Why do you heart?
Thank you. All right, let's go and play.
Are you serious?
Let's go and play view.
All right, let's go and play.
Let's play view.
Sharon. What kind of talk is that? What kind of saga is that? Does that saga really make sense? You guys are just dragging the innocent late woman. You guys should allow her to rest. Imagine, una say, some people will say that they more Sharon, una carry Sharon picture, come out, take out the saga. It doesn't make sense. You people should saga yourselves with whatever. As una say the Lakers or una said the Lakers on our generation is fine. But you people should take this woman out of this nonsense. How you go so Sadia will not be family to Sharon, like by Sharon. Yeah, well, Sadia, you be Sharon, eh?
Be one.
O Sadia be Sharon, yeah, me near Syria. You, Frank, me want to ask you a question.
You just they come, Vix Roland. You don't know it in the happen. Okay?
You never ever come out for this social media, come talk. Because say maybe you don't confirm the thing. Come talk, say, hey, see, now so it happen. All those people who they call adulterous women, all those women who you don't call adulterous, now all of them will be adulterous women. Someday after you don't call their names finish, people will come call you, say you can't get the fact, you don't have to do the video. Many. Then now people can't call me, say this woman an adulterous woman, no, but I can't look her where, I can't do my investigation, the woman not be adulterous woman. It can happen. Mind you. Not be almost at the post that thing. If we do saga, wagaya mata yawe saga. Wagya bomba be no heke. Oga.
You don't hear until the video talk. But based on say my area, avec me yaniod, who are most to devour all of una way they against me for this social media. Ni wa ata we have marriage you to. If I need about keep your kunle wa ya today we mama peace. You guys cannot stay a day without talking about Enogie we. And the Enogie we they talk about no send na papa. That is just the simple truth. He must send what? If I use me to make money, I use to make money. But me una remove Sharon because the family no send now. He retaliate na person call me. Just the way people still call other people say Sharon die. The thing was shocking to me. Now, when they post the girl picture now, now they use the girl name now till they make money in disguise. Sharon family cried to us, even call him and fight for justice. You know what time about like the one was so a grace me by acting on him. I hope not be news up in the way. See, I go to what they see the drag. See, I go use our own too much. I was I go use are not supposed to do this, not supposed to do that. It was here. Agboyosa is a big musician in Edo State. Musician, before 5 minutes, they don't compose. Nigeria, where everything did. No, I shoot a video there. Now, Europe, for the thought, say, we don't see this camera. And no, the camera, no, clear. Nigeria, you can do anything in Nigeria as far as you have money. He composes and now you go compose and later. I believe it's the same. She's dead. I will not go there. Now when person never buy, now priest go dey try everything to make sure say not buy. As far as they don't buy, any day it too fast, it too do this one. And all of now where they come out, when they bring una opinion now. When these girls are alive, majority of them not post. Oh. Majority of them not post this girl when she born. Oh. Majority of them not even post her, not even watch movies. A good composer can compose a song in 5 minutes. When Mohbad pay, you know how many days they compose song for Mohbad. They even do justice for Mohbad, because that one will see the way it happen. That is the truth. You drive people to the saga me. You drive people to hate me, not get what me come up from my body. I believe that's not saga me rich now. If my saga get what they do for my body, I for don't be like, I for don't reduce. Yeah, reducing eh? Una saga not get what they want do me for body. That is the truth. Una saga they make me they get more straight to saga una. I leave Festina issue because a lot of people have been calling me since bros leave Festina issue. You say you love Sharon when she there alive. They come the saga now. It don't make sense. If I don't say what you do no good. Now why we are worried? Because Utana yake the air me ate we are so agbe Festina no. Now why we are worried? You want to keep me here in mind very honey. You were the saga Enogie. You were the drum people the saga Enogie. You don't ever ask yourself, say, why is Enogie doing more better than you people? I'm also wait your way prick, say me not the need. I'm also not honor around with honor careful. And even the year today now.